Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to download Sims mobile application on your iOS device. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet. Now, go ahead and open up your App Store. In the search bar, type in Sims Mobile. Go ahead and look for this application and tap on the download button. You will be able to see the application with a name TSM, which means The Sims Mobile. The Sims Mobile is a captivating life simulation game that brings the beloved Sims franchise to your fingertips. Experience the joy of creating unique Sims, building dream homes, and navigating the complexities of virtual life with the application. Wait for the app to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes, and you will then be able to get started playing with The Sims Mobile right on your iOS device. In this video, we will be learning how to download The Sims Mobile application on your Android phone. To download The Sims Mobile app is super easy. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and then go ahead and open up the Google Play Store. In the search box at the top, type in The Sims Mobile or TSM and search. Look for this application from Electronic Arts which says TSM on the preview screen and click on the install button to download the app on your device. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes. The Sims Mobile is a free-to-play mobile adaptation of the popular Sims franchise, which is developed by Maxis and published by Electronic Arts. This game offers a similar experience to the main Sims game, allowing players to create and manage the lives of their Sims on their mobile device. Once the application is installed on your device, simply tap on the play button to launch open the Sims Mobile application on your Android phone. And there you have successfully downloaded the Sims Mobile on your Android in just a couple of steps. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into Sims Mobile. To log into your Sims Mobile account, first of all, launch open your Sims Mobile application, and from the main home page, tap on the little white arrow on the right hand corner of the screen. This will open up the settings menu, from where you will be able to see login options. To log into your Sims Mobile application using Apple ID, click on the Sign in with Apple option. To sign in with your Facebook, click on Connect right next to the Facebook logo and follow through the instructions. To connect to EA to play on other devices and party with your friends, you can tap on Connect EA option and follow the instructions. Similarly, you can also log in to your Sims Mobile account using the X or the Twitter account. I'm going to use Sign in with Apple option in today's video. Tap on the Sign in option and log into your Apple ID by entering your credentials, or log in using your Face ID. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to log into Sims Mobile using your Apple ID. You can also choose any other login methods to sign in quickly and easily. Now you can continue playing your game. That is how you can easily sign in to the Sims Mobile account. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change language on Sims Mobile. To change language on your Sims Mobile application, first of all, you will need to launch open the Sims Mobile app on your device. Once you do that, go ahead and click on the white arrow on the right hand corner of the screen. This will bring up the settings interface. Now, from the settings menu, scroll down and get to the language option. By default, your language will be set to English. Tap on English and choose from the other languages option and tap on one of them. Click on Let's Go in the pop-up and you will then be able to change your language for the Sims Mobile app. Your game will quickly restart with a different chosen language. So that is how you can easily change your language setting on Sims Mobile. In this video, we will be learning how to turn off sound effects in the Sims Mobile application. To turn off sound effects on the Sims Mobile app is super easy. First of all, go ahead and launch open your Sims Mobile application on your mobile device. Once you are on your game, go ahead and click on the arrow button on the right corner where it shows you a white panel, and this will open up the settings menu. Scroll down from your settings menu and make sure both of the music and sound effects are turned purple, which means off, and you will then be able to continue playing The Sims Mobile without sounds. So that is how you can easily turn off sound effects in The Sims Mobile game. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change name in Sims Mobile application. To change your name on the Sims Mobile app, first of all, go ahead and open up the game on your mobile device. Once you open the game, you will see this interface where you can see the white arrow button on the right corner of the screen. Simply click on it to expand up the menu where you will need to select the gear button. Now, under the gear button, scroll down and get to the change player name option and tap on it. Enter your player's name in the text box and click on OK. You will then be able to change the name of your player. That is how you change your name on Sims Mobile. In this video, we are going to be learning how to exit the Sims Mobile application. Exiting the Sims Mobile application can be done in a few different ways depending on whether you want to completely close the app or just leave it temporarily. If you want to leave your app temporarily and just exit, then all you need to do is to simply swipe up from your bottom of your game and press on the home button. You can also force close the application by swiping up from the bottom of your mobile device and pushing upwards for the app card. Doing this will force close your Sims Mobile application and you can easily exit from the game. So that's how simple it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.